In clarification to the allegations made by the leaders of the United Democratic Party, Bhoi, who had tendered their resignation from the party on the 17th of February 2022, the president of the UDP, Bhoi, DONBOK KHYMDEIT, stated that the mass exodus of its leaders and members will not affect the party during the upcoming elections of 2023. KHYMDEIT added that the party has no issues with those who had resigned from the UDP, as they had done so based on their personal experiences.
Hidon gaya kecing sengo, probably hidon, parlok hidon kecing sengo. Te, nama ngia burong, ngia teli, ngia long kawe, ngia trei kawe ka, kata common cause yang kari bagai cairin riu kum ki riu ki batrei hak parti berkat purpose yang kata kecing motif yang kata kalong ban ai kecing sekri ban trei, nak kamta kecing bitim yang kadong katain kari bagai cairin riu, kamta nak kamta kadong riu boy, kum bakapau untuk kum kinong kitkam kinong trei yang parti riu buat balistin. Tenrei hagaju por kapor padro ngimla pat panong takom wepan phi ki dana la ga jing sno ki dana la ga jong ga jing la ga jing su thu jong ki pat kat kum ga jing siam ga jing la ga jong ki pan pau ye ta mo phi man ne phi ka statement ga jong ki te ngimla hai ken ban pan bor ya noi no bat ngimla ro ban khang ya noi no ki dana la ga jong ko man lai lui ga jong ki ni burom ye ta ga jing seo ga jong ki mo kat kum ga jing su bit ga jong ki